Good morning. I don't know what the time is, but I'm awake. And yeah, I'm awake and I'm gonna have breakfast in 10 minutes. Yay! I'm gonna have a scone for breakfast. I don't know what I want to do today. I feel like going to the beach, so I might record that, like a little beach vlog. I need to go to TK Maxx. I don't know if I'll go today, but hopefully I can go today. I don't really know what to do right now, so I'm just like chilling in bed. Yeah, I don't really know what to do. I should probably like brush my hair and like take care of myself, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I might do it after my math class, which is at like 8, and I have like an hour and 30 minutes. Okay, so I just finished maths class and now I'm gonna get ready to go to the beach. Yay! I have to quickly shave my body and then I will change, pack my beach bag and vlog. Okay, I'm gonna put my swimsuit on, brush my hair and like get ready. This acai is really good. I'm having a lot of fun. I just played in the water with my dad. I think we're gonna go soon. But yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. I'm gonna show you guys what's in my beach bag because I feel like that would be fun. So like I've got my swim shorts which I'm gonna wear like later. And like a tank that I'm gonna change into. I wish I brought like my jewelry. That would be fun to wear. I have my water bottle. My wallet, my glasses case, and I also got my AirPods in there. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go shower now, and then we'll see what else I can do in this vlog. For lunch, I'm gonna have a ham and cheese toasty and a matcha. So, I've had my lunch and I don't really know what to do right now. I'm probably just gonna like rot in bed and do stuff. I don't really know what to do. I've spent a lot of my time just bed rotting. I'm having a banana and chocolate biscuit for my afternoon tea. Go for a walk? Yeah, I'm going to the park. Come back? Yeah. Okay, I'm back and I finished walking my dog. I don't really know what to do again. This is not good. I'm probably just gonna play some Sonic Racing. I always find it like weird how this part is a square and then I don't know, I just don't like that for some reason. How this is like a square. It looks weird. Well, today has been pretty eventful. It was a fun day to like vlog, and even though this video is only like 6 or 7 minutes long, it was pretty fun to record. And I will see you guys next time, next week. Actually, I'm planning on recording next week. Maybe I'll record like a few short videos sooner than that, but I'm not sure. We'll see. Thank you so much for watching, and please, like, if you made this far, please like leave a like or something, or leave a comment. I'd really love to read them. And yeah, thank you.